Hey, this is Ken, here to talk about apples on the 23rd of September, a couple of weeks into autumn now. Lots of fruit starting to come in. It's going to get a little bit busier each week now. We've still got a few Arlet apples left, but nice fresh bin of Cox Orange Pippin. This is the standard English hand apple, the most popular fresh-eaten apple in Great Britain. And they're really great right off the tree. If you get them greener, they're a lot crispier than they would be after being in storage. A fun one, but get them quick because they don't last a long time. We've got a few L-stars left over here. Moving into the first of the Fujis. Fuji is probably one of the very best sweet apples for storage. Apples don't keep well on the counter. They really need to be refrigerated. This will do about as good as any. They can usually be on the counter for up to 3 weeks. If you've got refrigeration, that's still going to be the better way to go for maintaining quality. But really great keeper, and of course a nice crispy fresh eater. This is the Benny Shogun, which is an early ripening variety. Still got some galas left over here, fresh sweet apple. This is going to be a big favorite for some folks, Honeycrisp. Of course, part of the reason we started the whole apple tasting festival once upon a time was to expand people's horizons, get them away from, the ones that are over promoted at the grocery store. Still, props to Honeycrisp. It is a great apple, and we've got them 99 cents, same price as all the other fruit today. Moving right along, this is Jonah Gold, and actually, just to kind of show these side by side, Jonah Gold is another really sweet, really juicy apple, very much in the vein of Honeycrisp. And a lot of times I'll do blind tests when I have a chance to do radio or TV shows, and the Jonah Gold usually wins as often as the Honeycrisp. So another really great sweet apple. Back here, we've got a Jonathan. Jonathan is a great New England apple, a relatively tart apple, great for baking. It's a little bit on the softer, medium firm sort of side, but not too much juice, so it's not going to give you the soggy bottom when you're putting your pie crust together. Also a good one for folks who like a tart or a hand apple as well. And back here, we're pretty much out of McIntosh, a few sort of bubbling around on the bottom of the bin, but we do have a bin of fresh bin of Spartans. Spartan is a McIntosh offspring, and it's very much like the McIntosh in terms of flavor, the fine grain consistency, that tart flavor. But it's going to be a better keeper, and it actually grows better in our climate, so they usually arrive with a lot more shelf life than the McIntosh will. So if you like McIntosh, Spartan's going to be the apple for you. We'll have more fruit coming in next week. If you want to keep up with what we've got, our division store is selling apples as well. What they're going to have is a little bit different, so give them a call over there. And you can always catch us on our website, portlandnursery.com, or on Instagram, Facebook, etc. Y'all take it easy.